91 to 95, 44 for grade 8, and 16 for third year. Question. What are the reasons behind why both grades had these very good academic ratings?
Thank you very much, Mom, for the very nice questions. One of the very good reasons, as manifested in the questionnaires and also in the presentation of the data, the respondents performed better during the fourth grading periods because they're very observant of the teacher's performance in handling the subject. They believe that when the teacher teaches well and when the teacher is equipped with the correct methodologies in enhancing the teaching and learning, they're very participative also in coming up with different practicals, activities for meeting the requirements of the subjects. They're not that lenient, but they're very encouraged to do well during the fourth grading periods. Because, as I say, the teacher performs his best in utmost and excellent.
Okay, so now we have, as my memory, with that, the one which was defended by Ma'am Eileen, the setting is the same.
Yes, ma'am.
And then the students are very good. You have very selective admission.
Yes, ma'am.
And but also considering in Ma'am Eileen Baybado's paper, there were a number who come from public schools and some also come from private school. Now, with this, you have a selective admission, and the group is considered homogeneous because with this rating from 91 to 100, it is really something in one subject, and all the hypotheses were accepted. Because although they are substantial in the legend below the table, but all the hypotheses were accepted. Therefore, there is no significant correlation which is really considered as variable in your study. And we would like to believe, the panel members would like to believe, that the group really is homogeneous.
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody got a grade lower than 91. They're all there up.
They're all advanced.
And so, as the researcher, what is the best determinant of scholastic achievement in your school for grade 8 and 3rd year, specifically in your subject matter?
Okay. The best determinant of the good performance of the students, my respondents in MAPE, who were first year back in the year 2011-2012 and grade 8 back in the year 2012-2013, is their attitude also and the teacher's performance. Those are the great determinants why the respondents accumulated good performance in the subject.
So its attitude is really in the pupils. Would you like us to believe that the parents are very supportive?
Yes, ma'am.